Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. Excuse me, and are ready for the cracking week. So today is not a tutorial, but I want to share with you these lovely cards. In one of my latest video, I showcased those cards and I told you guys they were available on my website. There are 6 original ephemera cards. Now I bought them on in York. There is a really nice huge antique shop. It's on 3 floors. Oh my god, it sells amazing things. And I came across a bundle on this little cards. Now they are original photograph cards. Now they're quite thick. Some of them are thicker than others. If I put them, yeah, so if I put them like that, you'll be able to see them thickness. So they are original. So I'm just going to quickly go through one by one. In here it says H. Crook Chatham, artist, photographer in Rail Street, Chatham. And it says copies might be had, negative being kept. This portrait can be reduced for the smallest miniature or large for life size. So amazing. And I'm not even going to tell you the smell of them. It smells like a proper vintage treasure. And of course there is that's the color of, because it's aged naturally, of course. So it's not sponged or anything. That's a true color. The second is this one. It says Harry Ham's photo, corner of Seal Street and Berry Street. This is photographed from life by Harry Emmons, Seals Cornersbury in Liverpool. So on each of the card there is like a limited print, I guess. Duplicate copies might be had in quantities of not less than 6. Okay, so that's the second. And then number 3 is this handsome guy. It says Clark & Co. Maidstone, patronised by the Queen. Clark, artist and photographer, Wick Street, opposite Hill Street. Yeah, lovely little treasures. So if you like antique rare photograph, this is lovely. This has been glued on a piece of cardstock. It's number 2462 Soho Bazaar, School of Photography, Oxford Street, London. I don't even know if it exists anymore. I think this is the Queen Victoria. I might be absolutely wrong, but I think it is. Patronised by the Navy, the City of Rochester. Emmanuel's wedged on her arms. Copy can also be had. And then the last one. Oh, look how gorgeous it is. And I'd always said I'm born in the wrong era, because look at the dress, look at the fashion, look at the lace, at the pose, and oh yeah. It's a continuous portrait, Broad Street near the pier. The glass negative from which of these portraits is produced to preserve will be for many years. Copies can also be had by post, otherwise by giving this is 7632. And I think that must be glued into something. But yeah, so that's the 6 cards. And I will offer a free shipping delivery. So wherever in the world you are, it doesn't matter. There is a free shipping. I'm just gonna put the link of these 6 cards in the info down below, and I hope it helps. I'm not gonna do any project because again, I want you guys to have them, and of course I'm selling it at the cheapest price I bought them. Of course. But yeah, so pop on into my website if you want to get the hands on these little cards that I have showcased in a couple of videos ago. Guys, I'm going to go super quick video. I will see you on Wednesday for another VIP video. So excited. And until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.